Mannheim, located in southwestern Germany, is known for its unique grid layout, making it one of the first planned cities in Europe. The city was founded in 1606 by Elector Palatine Friedrich IV, who envisioned it as a strategic military and trading hub. Mannheim is situated at the confluence of the Rhine and Neckar rivers, giving it a significant transportation advantage. The city's grid system consists of 144 blocks, each named after a letter of the alphabet, which is a rarity in urban planning. Mannheim is often referred to as the City of Squares due to its numerous public squares and plazas. The Mannheim Palace, built between 1720 and 1760, is one of the largest Baroque palaces in Europe and houses the University of Mannheim. The university, founded in 1967, is renowned for its business and economics programs and has been consistently ranked among the top universities in Germany. Mannheim is home to several major companies, including the automotive giant Daimler AG and the global technology company SAP. The city has a vibrant cultural scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and galleries, including the Kunsthal Mannheim, which focuses on modern and contemporary art. Mannheim's National Theatre is one of the oldest theaters in Germany, dating back to 1779, and offers a diverse program of opera, drama, and ballet. The Mannheim Steamroller is a popular American musical group known for their innovative use of synthesizers and their holiday music albums. Mannheim is famous for its many festivals, including the Mannheim Wine Festival, which celebrates the local wine culture and attracts visitors from all over. The city's annual Mannheim Music Festival showcases a variety of musical genres, from jazz to rock, and features both local and international artists. Mannheim has a rich industrial heritage, with a strong focus on manufacturing and engineering, particularly in the automotive sector. The city's location makes it a significant logistics hub in Europe, with numerous transportation links, including road, rail, and waterways. Mannheim's Luisenpark is one of the most beautiful parks in Germany, featuring themed gardens, a lake, and a butterfly house. The park hosts various events throughout the year, including outdoor concerts and cultural festivals. The Mannheim Water Tower, built in 1886, is an iconic symbol of the city and was the tallest water tower in Germany at the time of its construction. The city's commitment to sustainability is evident in its extensive bike paths and public transportation systems. Mannheim is known for its diverse population, with residents from various cultural backgrounds, contributing to a vibrant community. The city has a thriving culinary scene, with traditional German cuisine as well as international options, reflecting its multicultural atmosphere. The Mannheim Castle is not just an architectural marvel, it also serves as a venue for various cultural events, including art exhibitions and concerts. Mannheim's central location in Germany allows for easy access to major cities like Frankfurt, Stuttgart, and Heidelberg. The Mannheim Manifesto, created in 2015, is a declaration aimed at promoting open data and transparency in urban governance. Mannheim is home to the Reichsengelhorn Museums, which house extensive collections of archaeology, art, and cultural history. The city has a strong focus on education and research, with several institutions and research centers dedicated to various fields. Mannheim's annual Christmas market is a festive highlight, attracting visitors with its charming stalls and traditional holiday treats. The city hosts the Mannheimer Maymarkt, one of the largest consumer fairs in Germany, showcasing regional products and innovations. Mannheim has a rich musical heritage, having produced several famous composers, including the 18th-century opera composer Johann David Heineken. The city is also known for its contributions to jazz music, with numerous clubs and festivals celebrating the genre. Mannheim's public transportation system includes trams, buses, and trains, making it easy for residents and visitors to navigate the city. The city's economic development has been bolstered by its proximity to major trade routes and its well-developed infrastructure. Mannheim is home to the Mannheimer Kunstverein, an art association that promotes contemporary art through exhibitions and events. The city has a strong focus on innovation, with several startups and tech companies emerging in recent years. Mannheim's historic downtown area features a mix of modern architecture and preserved historical buildings, creating a unique urban landscape. The city is known for its excellent educational institutions, including vocational schools and universities that cater to a wide range of fields. Mannheim has a lively nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues offering entertainment options for all tastes. The Mannheim Baroque Festival celebrates the city's rich musical heritage, featuring performances of Baroque music in historic venues. The city's economy is diverse, with key sectors including manufacturing, information technology, and healthcare. Mannheim has a strong sporting culture, with facilities for soccer, basketball, handball, and various other sports. The city hosts several international sporting events, contributing to its reputation as a vibrant and active place. Mannheim's commitment to green spaces is evident in its numerous parks and recreational areas, promoting outdoor activities and community engagement. The city is home to the Mannheim Institute of Technology, focusing on engineering and applied sciences. Mannheim's historical significance is reflected in its many monuments and memorials, commemorating important events and figures from its past. The city's innovative spirit is reflected in its numerous co-working spaces and incubators supporting startups and entrepreneurs.